Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to lift this 3,800 kilogram mass, and we've got a 50 kilogram counterweight placed on one piston. We have a 20 centimeter piston for the 50 kilogram mass. We want to find the diameter for the piston that's going to lift the 3,800 kilogram mass. So we want to find D2. That's really what the question is asking. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we've got this hydraulic system, we've got a counterweight on one side, and we want to lift this heavy mass on the other side. They give us diameter 1, which is 20 centimeters. We want to find diameter 2. Okay, step 2, list all the givens and unknowns. So they give us the mass that we want to lift, which is 3,800 kilograms or 3.8 metric tons. They give us the diameter 1, which is 20 centimeters. They give us the counterweight, which is 50 kilograms. And we want to find the diameter 2. Step 3, find the formula for pressure, then find diameter. So P is pressure is equal to F, which is force, divided by area, which is A. Then we're going to expand that out. So F is equal to mass times gravity, or mass times acceleration in this case. So acceleration being gravity. And area in this case is circular because they give us diameters. So pi multiplied by diameter squared divided by 4. Step 4, we're going to equate P1 with P2. So on this side we've got pressure 1, and on the other side is pressure 2. So this is from Pascal's principle. So the pressure on the larger piston is equal to the smaller piston. This will let us figure out D2. Okay, step 5. So equate the equations and find D2. So P1 is equal to P2. And then we're just going to use this formula. So P is equal to F over A. And then we're going to do this for P1 and P2 and then equate them together. So on one side we have 50 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared divided by pi multiplied by 0.2 meters squared divided by 4. This 0.2 is 20 centimeters converted to meters, and 100 centimeters for 1 meter, so you divide 20 centimeters by 100 and that'll give you 0.2 meters. And then on the right hand side we've got 3,800 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared divided by pi multiplied by D2, which is what we're trying to find, squared divided by 4. Now, as you can see, a lot of these will cancel out. So gravity, pi, and 4, they will cancel out. So you would put this equation in your graphic calculator and solve it, or you can run it in a Python code and solve it as well. Alright, so through those methods, you will find that diameter 2 is 1.7436 meters. that is quite large. However, if we have a look back at our free body diagram, it makes sense. That's 3.8 metric tons, so that's quite large. So it would make sense that your piston would also be quite large to lift it. So I guess from a sensible check, is it reasonable? Yeah, it makes sense. You would need a large piston to lift a large object, so I think it's reasonable. Alright, so disclaimers. The method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by following the snipping tool method. So if you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on your icon for snipping tool in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to Windows search, type in snipping tool, then click on the icon. From there, click on the video option, then click on new, then left click and drag the rectangle to cover your YouTube screen. Then hit the start button on your snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. This was just the example for the left click and drag the rectangle. Alright, so like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. Ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you want to support me, you can become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.